So very good morning students, welcome back to second year physics. So in the previous class I told you about a parallel combination and as well as we also finished a series combination. Now I would like to tell you another one on the basis of series and parallel combination. We have the problems. So the page number, that is about a 145 page number. There is a one more question is given on the basis of combination, right? So question number 9, look at. Now problems, we can say the problems. It's the page number 145, question number is 9. Let us, in the circuit shown the battery of V volts has no internal resistance, all three condensers are equal in capacitance, find the condenser that carries a more charge. See, sir, carries a more charge is asking. Which one carries a more charge is asking. So that you draw the diagram as it is, whatever the given diagram, so that according to that we can understand very easy. So there is a battery is connected like this, V, and meanwhile there is a one joined like this. See, you look into this, it is to be connected and it is one conducting wire. Look at this is C, C, C. Very simple. Very simple. I would like to tell you, actually we know the charge is asking charge, no? So that we can say charge flow is nothing but a C is equal to Q by V. Q is equal to C into V. Let us, I would like to tell you, first of all I want to reconnect the circuit, because we should arrange the rearrange. Let you see, this battery is connected to this, as well as here also it is connected. Now I am simplifying the circuit like this. It is a capacitor plate, right? So here it is the battery connected, and you take this one, both it is to be connected like this. We can arrange it like this. So the situation is same. Look at, the battery is connected to be this plate, no? Yes, you want to join here also, no problem. Yes, we can take it like this. Is it correct? Yeah, this is a combination, we can take it like this. So that what happens, there will be a charge flow and it is enters and comes here, again it is rejoined and it is to be connected. Also it is to be connected like this, no? We can take a one more connection also like this. So what happens, there will be a charge flow and it is enters and it is divided and it is coming out from this, again it is same, whatever the charge is entering from the circuit, and that is will be the remain same on each and every capacitor, because through this and it is divided. Suppose it's Q, no? It is also coming Q and it is divided as Q1 and Q2, and it is Q1, Q2, and again it is come out with the same charge. I told you very clear, in the circuit, whatever the charges are, it is entering, that must be leave from the other end. So that we can say the charges remain same, Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to Q. So that Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, Q3 is equal to C3V. This is the given question answer. So that all capacitors carries the same charge. That's what you say. Q, Q, Q. It remains the same, because Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to Q. So it remains the same, so that we can say the charge in the given system or given circuit that remains the same. Okay? Right. So there is another question is given, so that it is 148 of page number. You look into the page number 148. Page number 148, question number 5.6, 148, 5.6. So this was given in the year of May 2014. This question in the previous IPE question it is, which was given in the year of 2014. Yeah, you look at the question. 3 capacitors, each of capacitance. See, 3 is given C1, C2, C3 is given as 9 microfarad, right? Sorry, picofarad. Picofarad. I think you know pico in the sense is 10 power minus 12 farad. You write in bracket, not required, but you keep it is, right? So connected in series. Now these are in connected in a series. You take a series combination, will be like this. So it is connected to the opposite terminals. So C1, C2, C3. Now what is asking, look at what is the total capacitance of the combination. First one is asking effective capacitance or in case of a series. Second is asking what is the potential differences across each capacitor if the combination is connected to, see here there will be a connection is given 120 volt and is asking find a what is asking what is the potential difference across the each capacitor if the combination is connected is. So of course there will be a is asking a potential difference, right? So is asking what potential difference is asking. So that here first of all we should get the effective capacitance, that is we can say in series combination. No? Here in the series combination effective will be CS is equal to, it is we can say 1 by CS, or you say it is 1 by CS or 1 by effective 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So effective will be, it is 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. So you take here 3 by 9. So it is will be 1 by 3. So 1 by CS is equal to 1 by 3. CS is equal to 3. It is what happens PF. Or I'll tell you in second method also we have, that is the second method will be what happens directly we can take. So it is a method 2. So that is CP I mean to say series, no, CS is equal to C by N. So how many capacitors? 3. Each one is how much? 9. So we can take directly and we can also save the time. So 9 by 3. So that we can take a 3 PF. Of course both are correct. It is the method to do like this, but it is also directly we can take because it is in a series combination, no? So we can take it like this. Now it is about a what now? Picofarad. So you want to say here a PF, that is 3 into 10 power minus 12 farad it is. So this is the series combination. Now he is asking potential difference, no, when it is to be connected in case of this, right? So here we should get a charge because we don't know how much a charge is entering, right? Q out, we don't know, no? This is the supply. How much a supply is there? 120 volt supply from the battery. But how much a charge is entering, that we have to get. So that the total charge, see, we say that is we can say charge. Q is equal to question mark. Q is equal to CS into V. So Q is equal to CS will be 3 into 10 power minus 12. V will be 120. So Q is equal to, you say approximately it is becomes what happens 12 3 is a 36, right? 360 like this. Or you want to say this, if you want to cancel this also no problem, 36 into 10 power minus 11, or you want to say 3.6 into 10 power minus 10 coulombs it is, of course. Or you want to say 360 into 10 power minus 12 also no problem. Now he is asking potential difference, no? Of course potential difference is the third point. See, third one is asking that I want to tell you, third point, C is equal to Q by V. Right? Here V is nothing but a Q by C. So C is nothing but effective capacitance and V is nothing Q is nothing but a 3.6 into 10 power this. So that you say or else 360 into 10 power minus 12, which is very easy because C also we have 3 into 10 power minus 12, no? So we cancel 10 power minus 12 minus 12 because there will be a cancellation is very easy, 1, 2, 120 volt it is. Sorry it is. So is asking individual capacitance, no? You don't take a effective capacitance. So that here you write a individual capacitance, right? You say individual, no? 9 into 10 power minus 12, right? So it is cancelled. Therefore 9 ones, 9 fours are, so that V is equal to 40 volt for individuals. Because the whatever the charge entering, so for this V is equal to 40 volt, 40 volt, 40 volt. Like that we can say the combination which is given because it is given in the series, no? First you find a effective. You want to take a first method or you want to go for a second method, whatever. If the capacitance is same, each capacitor capacitance is given in the question is same, then you go for like the CS is equal to C by N. And after that get a Q because it's asking potential, no? Q by C, no? Q, we know this 360 into 10 power minus 12. So that what happens, it is 360 into 10 power minus 12 and the individual capacitance will be C is equal to, or C1, C2, C3, 9 pf, no, 10 power minus 12. So 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 12 is cancelled. V is equal to 40 volt. This is the method to do the question in case of a 5.6 which is given the data, right? And you go for the next question. The same page number which is given is 5.7. Yeah, everyone read question 5.7 and you write given data. So actually it is also given in the year of 2017, 2018 and which is given in the previous question it is. That's what I am telling. From this chapter compulsory 4 marks will get either a problem or a question, like question and answers. Sometimes he may ask you 2 marks question also on the basis of series and parallel combination, like he will ask you some problem. So you go through and refer it. The problems are very, very important for 2 marks or 4 marks. Yeah, it is a 5.7. Go for the 5.7. Read question again. 3 capacitors of capacitance 2 pf, 3 pf, 4 pf are connected in parallel. Yes, you draw a parallel combination like it is given. So this must be same. Right, which is connected to the supply of batteries. Of course here given is 100 volt and there will be a charge is divided and C1 is given as 2 pf pico, C2 is given as 3 pf and C3 is 4 pf are connected in parallel. What is the total capacitance of the combination? So which is given in the year of 2017-18 May, which was given in the years, right? 17 March also is given, May and March, which is given, right? So he's asking first one effective capacitance, that is CP is asking, right? Of course CP is nothing but a C1 plus C2 plus C3 you directly take. CP is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. So CP will be, it is 9 pf. You want to write 9 pf is nothing but a 10 power minus 12 farad. Here also you would say pf is nothing but a 10 power minus 12 farad. Okay. Now next one is asking determine the charge on the capacitor if the combination is connected. So charge is asking, so that here we should get an individual because it is Q1, Q2, Q3. We don't know Q1 we should get, Q2 we should get, Q3 we should get. So for the combination of this there will be a, how much a potential difference is given? It is given as 100 volt is supply is there. So for first one Q1 is equal to C1 into V, and go for the second one Q2 is equal to C2 into V, and third one you take Q3 is equal to C3 into V, of course. So here you write Q1, C1 will be, what is the C1 is given? 2 pf, no? So that you write here 2 into 10 power minus 12 into supply of 100 volt. So you cancel this. Q1 is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 10 coulombs. Right? And you go for the second Q2, no? Q2 is nothing but a C2 will be 3 into 10 power minus 12 into 100 again. So this is will be cancelled. Q2 is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 10 coulombs. And last one Q3. This is the Q3 is equal to C3 will be 4 into 10 power minus 12 into V is 100. So this is will be cancelled. Q3 is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 10 coulombs. So it is the problem related to series and parallel combination question. So once you refer these questions, so which are important for the final examination, right? And here we'll see the next other problems. If any problem is there, then we'll do it. See each and every problem I am telling you, and you refer the all problems. Right. There is another question is there, that is in the examples. You look into the question number, page number 136, question number 9. Right. Question number 9, page number 136. You look at a network of 10 PF capacitors are connected to 500 V supply as shown in the figure. Yes, there is a given 4 capacitors which are shown in the figure. You draw a diagram and it is to be connected to the another plate of capacitors, and this combination is connected to 500 V supply, right? So this is the combination given, and each one is given as C1, C2, C3 and C4, but the combination given C1, C2, C3, C4 is equal to, I think it is 10 microfarad. So 10 into 10 power minus 6 farad as shown in the figure. Then find equivalent capacitance of the network. First one is asking effective capacitance. Second one is charge on the capacitor. So is asking charge on the each capacitor. Note, the charge on the capacitor is the charge on the plate with the higher potential equal to the positive to the charge. Of course, it is, we know this is to be connected positive and it is to be connected to the negative. So there will be a distribution, we know. So it is not required, directly we can take. First of all, you see the diagram. Everyone concentrate the diagram. What is there in the diagram? First you look at these 3 are in series, right? 3 are in series. 1, 2, 3 are in series. Because here is the junction is there. So that the charges enters at this point and it is maybe divided like this. So through this, whatever the charges flows, yes, of course it is comes like this. So by using this, you draw a equivalent circuit first of all. Yes, you take a like this. And this is to be connected to like this. Same, remains same. So these 3 on the series, no? When they are in the series, what happens? It is combination will be series, no? Yes, of course we know. In series combination, if equivalent capacitance is there, so that the CS is equal to C by 3, we can. So 10 by 3. It is, will get the 10 by 3 is the answer in case of this 3 combination. CS is equal to 10 by 3. Now this combination is, it is for this capacitor, what happens? It is in the parallel. So that you take this complete 10 by 3 which is in the parallel like this. It is connected to, so 10 by 3 and it is, I think it is 10. So now it is in the parallel combination, 10 by 3 plus 10. So CP is equal to 40 by 3 it is. So it is an effective capacitance, final effective capacitance, which is asking the effective capacitance will be, it is a, I mean to say 10 by 3. Suppose you want to simplify, it may be approximately CP is equal to 13.3 microfarad. You keep with both answers are correct. Now he is asking what? About a charge, no? So the charge will be, is asking the charge, but this combination is connected to, like it is connected to what? So there will be a series combination is there, no? So that the given will be, you take a Q is equal to, we can say the charge is asking, so Q is equal to C into V. In case of a series combination, that will be what happens, C is the effective capacitance will be 10 by 3, right? Will be 10 by 3 for case of a series. I am telling about in case of a series case, you take individual, right? For the series, it is maybe charge Q and it is divided, no, like this. You get first this series combination, Q is equal to, for series combination, effective capacitance will be what? 10 by 3, right? in case of a series, so that you say CS 10 by 3. The supply will be how much here it is given? 500. So you write here into 500. So it is maybe 5000 by 3, so that Q is equal to, if you simplify this, it is maybe approximately, because the into 10 power each capacitance, no, this is will be in microfarad, no, 10 power minus 6. So this is will be cancelled, 5 by 3 into 10 power minus 3 coulombs. So you want to simplify also we can, but it is you leave also no problem. And third one, look at, that is a second one. Another one in case of a this, no, this capacitor. So you say Q is equal to C into V. That is in case of a parallel. What is a parallel combination effective capacitance is there? That is we can take directly 10, no, because only 10. Through this charge it is divided, no, like this. So through this through that 10 into 10 power minus 6 into 500. You cancel, or you cancel one more, and it is will be cancelled 5 into 10 power minus 4 coulombs, like we can take. It is in case of a this combination. Which one? For this. And for this combination we can say like this. So these are the problems on the basis of a series and a parallel combination. So you go through the questions and you read the carefully questions and what is asking, what we have to do in the questions. So this is the method to do the problems. So here you remember, it is a question given 3 capacitors are in series, and for this 3 it is to be, for this effective capacitance will be, for this it is parallel. That's what you get first. Series combination effective capacitance becomes 10 by 3, and after that this combination for this capacitance, what happens, it is in the parallel. You look into this, now you get a effective capacitance CP is equal to 10 by 3. It is a final answer, but is asking charges. Charge is asking through the series as well as charge is asking through this. You get this charge through this, that is we can say Q is equal to CS into V. Q is equal to CS into V. In case of a series combination 10 by 3 is there. Supply is same for both all capacitors, no, 500 volt. So you simplify this, it may be 5 by 3 into 10 power minus 3. You want to cancel it, and you can also cancel it, because it is 1 times it is cancelled, and there will be left is 2. We can get the approximately 1.7 also the right answer. And you go for the next combination, that is the next capacitor through this charge. Q is equal to Cp into V. That P is nothing but what is there in this case, P for it is 10 into 10 power minus 6 is there. What is the supply is there? 500 volt is there. So that you substitute here 500 and cancel it, 5 into 10 power minus 4 coulombs. So like this way we should do the problems on the basis of series and parallel combination. So this is about a what? Series and parallel combination basis questions, and you refer and you do the problems on the basis of series and parallel combination, because which are very, very important. Right? It is about a today's class. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.